Hot damn, y'all. My kind of car right here. The Smoker Edition. Hyundai Elantra Touring. 165,000 miles of 2009. And dude, is this thing a rolling ashtray or what? Holy shit. But it runs good. And she'll clean up. Oh, come on, go off. Check engine light. No, not gonna go off. Come on, AC, get cold. Please do that for me. This is the funny little Hyundai Elantra wagon things. I was never really crazy about them, but thought I'd drive one and see if they're worth a toot. And yeah, I mean, if this thing has had a cigarette smoked in it, it's had all the cigarettes smoked in it. If I live to be 80, this is what my car's gonna look like, because I'm gonna start back smoking again, and I'm gonna smoke all the parliaments in town. As many as I can buy. Runs good. Tap check engine light. AC's getting cold. Not too shabby, just stinks. God dang, it stinks. Woo. Let's check all our windows here. Door locks work. Windows work. I mean, other than it being a rolling ashtray, it's actually in solid, clean up condition. I mean, the headliner will always be brown. Probably won't be able to get all the smoke out of it, smell, but it will clean up. Not bad. Yeah, not bad. I have no idea what motor this is. What was in an 09 Elantra? I mean, I ain't got a freaking clue. 1.8, 2.0, just, you know, about 140 horse, 4-cylinder, I imagine. I mean, it is not going to run any races, but it'll be fine for what it is. Suspension feels tight. Ain't got any weird, funny sounds coming from anywhere. I just can't believe the amount of cigarette ash in this freaking car. God, I'm gonna stink like hell when I get home. Look at this thing. Look. I mean, coffee and cigarettes. Dude, all they did was commute and said, screw it. I don't care. It's a commuter. It's a commuter. Trade in at the Nissan store. Motor looks good. Coolant's full. Shoot. Can't beat that, man. What do y'all think? $10,000? $10,000. That'd be a hell of a buy, wouldn't it? Probably what it'll bring. You know, I look at these cars and I go, ooh, I could probably get that for $3 or $4 grand. Yeah, right. Yeah, we'll say 10 grand. Oh yeah, we got dog food back here. Been hauling the pups, giving them lung cancer. You know, it's not a bad little car. Not a bad looking little car. It's got decent tires on it, nice tints, some alloys. It'll clean up and make something decent. Y'all throw your comment down below. Take a wild guess what this thing will bring. If it ends up in my possession, you'll know that it brought a reasonable dollar amount. If I don't end up with it, that means it sold for, you know, 8-10 grand, which would be stupid, but not unexpected, because everyone acts stupid today. I don't know how anybody's selling any cars with what they pay for them at auction. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.